Hi everyone, my name is Rahana and
Ika.
so today on Reina episode, I don't know what number, but then I think it's 5. Yeah. Today is about newly packaged squishy. So yeah, let's get started. Some in a razor package because I don't have any more packages. So yeah, I don't need to be long. So I have this white eclair, like soft. So it's broken but it's okay. See? It's fixed. So yeah, in this, which I put a tape here and that's the holes. Then this very cute color. Actually it's in a razor, see? Yeah, I like this because it's in a big packaging but the squishy is very small. But very cute. I like this. Then next I have this marshmallow bun, or this white bun thingy, which is also in a razor packaging, but I cover it and it says squishy. So yeah, very soft. Then I have this croissant and it's super soft and it's in this packaging. Yeah, I don't like it actually. Let me show you the last one. The last one is this blush bun thingy. It's very dirty, defected, and the face came off. So yeah, because this is kind of the oldest one. Yeah, this is the first one ever. My first squish ever. I got it last year, right? Is it last year? Yes, it is last year. Yeah, very super long. So yeah, it's all I packaged. So that's all. Bye.